The aftermath of storms and damage often involves filing an insurance claim, but what's covered depends on your policy and the type of damage.
Well, Channel 3 meteorologist Nick Austin joins us live in the studio with what you need to know if Mother Nature blows trees down on your property. Nick.
Patrice, Greg, a lot depends on whether the trees simply fall to the ground or if they actually cause damage. It's also important to make sure your trees aren't a threat to your property or your neighbors. A quiet Sunday afternoon took a nasty turn for Adam Weigel as he manned the grill on his back deck.
Strong winds started rolling in, and then literally a microburst or something must have come through, and it got really intense.
A severe storm barreled through his Hickson neighborhood for only a few minutes, but this 80-foot poplar tree in the backyard couldn't handle the blow from Mother Nature.
And I heard two cracks, and that tree just came right down in less than 3 seconds. It was on the ground.
It took down part of Weigel's chain link fence. Local State Farm agent Kerry Smith has received several claims because of the weekend storms.
It's usually a tree on their house, a tree on their fence, or a tree on their own personal property. Those are the top 3 calls that I get. And we triage, try to figure out what level of severity those claims are.
Most insurance policies won't cover the cost of removing trees unless they cause damage to your home, vehicle, or fencing. To limit your liability, keep your trees trimmed and have them inspected by a specialist once a year.
So if you file multiple claims, even if they're out of your control and an act of God, it could affect your future insurability.
If your healthy tree damages your neighbor's property, you're not responsible, but you could be on the hook if the tree was diseased. Weigel says he might not need to file a claim and is relieved the damage here wasn't worse.
I guess the best case scenario for a fallen tree in this yard would be in the back corner, right where it fell, so we got very lucky.
Now, Smith encourages you to review your insurance policy, your homeowner's policy that is, and understand exactly what it covers. Take pictures of storm damage as soon as you can, then call your agent. And also make sure that you hire contractors, tree companies, and that are only licensed, insured, and bonded. Live in the studio, I'm meteorologist Nick Austin, Channel 3 Eyewitness.